to create a smart view. Very, very simple. So you can do this as granular as you want to do it, but you want to make sure you're in your primary leads view, which is right here, leads. And all you do is add filters. So you see this add filter button, you click it, and the very first status that you want to, or the very first filter that you usually want to do is your lead source, because you want to make sure you're running one particular lead source in one smart view. So if you just type in source, and you'll find one that says custom fields lead source, click that checkbox, and whatever the name of your lead source is, I'll just use Sitka Life, for example. This is an older lead source that I used to run. Click done. And now I've filtered out all leads that are Sitka Life, and there's 3,039. Now let's make it a little bit more granular. Let's do leads and then the current status. So current status is going to be one that you're going to use 90% of the time to filter out your views. So I don't want to have any leads in this smart view of people that either told me to stop calling them. So I'm going to do not contact, where the current status is not do not contact. I don't want anybody that I've sold. I don't need to call people that are disqualified or declined or pending or dead, or nurture or policy pending, or any of these appointment ones. I'm going to make sure I exclude those. Bad contact info, quoted, not in service, blocked, doesn't ring, no answer. Just, whatever you want to do, you can make this however you want. So now it's went from 3,000 to about 2,200. We'll stop here. Let's fine tune this a little bit more. Let's add another filter. Let's do, let's go do emails, number of emails, date received is before 7 days ago. Okay, now let's drop it down to 447 leads, and then we can do one more. We can do, let's do opportunities. Maybe they missed their appointment. So let's do old status, where any status change is no show. Okay, so there's none there. Appointment set, there's one there. Let's try maybe new status is no show. Okay, so there's one. So I've got one no show. Obviously this isn't ideal. You're gonna have more than one. This was just an example. The good news is all of your smart views are gonna already be created, because I built a website or a web application that allows anyone that's on my team to have my CRM cloned over to their CRM. So you will have access to everything you see here. You will have access to every email template, which there's hundreds, and you'll have access to all the SMS templates, which hundreds of those. You'll have everything. So don't worry about learning how to create smart views and all that stuff right now. You'll learn it over time, but just understand that that's how you do it, and you can make as many of these as you want. And here, show all, show less. You can drag these around. So I like to drag these around in the order of importance. So you can view all of them. You can delete, you can archive, you can duplicate. If I wanted to duplicate, this hot leads quoted, I can just click the three dots here, and then I cannot duplicate it. So disregard what I just said about the duplication. But anyways, that's it. If you have any questions, you can always just refer back to this guide, and it will walk you through how to do everything step by step.